got one. That's a fish. Now, stay down, buddy. Oh, got him, got him, got him. Hello, $10, right? All right. Thank you. Have a good day. Got our parking ticket. Put it on a dashboard. Seems a bit crowded today, not gonna lie. Hopefully we'll have a parking spot where we can put in our boat. Yes, we got spots. All right, beautiful people, let me give you a rundown of what's going on today. As you can probably see, got the yak in the back. I'm at a state park right now. Paid the admission fee. Found a parking spot, so now we just gotta go catch some fish. Basically, I filmed another video here 2 weeks ago. I only brought 2 baits, which were 2 poppin' frogs. Big mistake by me. I missed almost every single blow up I had, and so here's a couple of clips I have from there. Got him! Got him! Oh, I hope I'm recording. No, he got off! Oh, there we go. Oh, guys, I messed up. I messed up, guys. As you can see, bad idea. This time, I'm more prepared. I got all my tackle with me, and we're gonna get some revenge on these fish. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and stay tuned. Glorious rods. Let's get you set up. Oh yeah, we just gotta carry this in the water. Amazing. Oh, this is a crowded boat launch. Bad news, left some of my gear at home. I thought I had put my tackle box in my car, but turns out it's at home. So we're just gonna have to work with the baits we have currently rigged up. Oh, this is such a bummer. I can't believe I left my stuff at home. Whatever, how are you guys doing? In our last video, we were in a pretty similar situation as today. The only difference is this spot I'm fishing today, I would say, is a much better fishery. And I think I have these fish here figured out somewhat. Another new thing is that I'm filming in 4K right now. Let me know if the video quality is any better than normal. Let's get started off with a frog. Currently the conditions are sunny, bird blue skies. And if you don't know, you want to throw dark colored frogs during times where the water's muddy, check, and sunny, check. All right, let's get a solid bite on you. Ooh, little turtle. Oh yeah. Sun's a bit more brutal than I thought it would be. Luckily, I got long sleeves. Also, I forgot to mention, today's weather is absolutely amazing. We have a high of 82, I believe. And basically, it's just gonna keep plummeting down as the day goes on. Just maybe they will appreciate a whopper plopper. Who knows? Let's give it a try. Oh, guys, I had a fish already. Had a fish go for it. I tossed it in the weeds and it had something go for it. Who would have thought? Throwing top water like this, middle of the day. Yeah, it's weird, but somehow it just works sometimes. Okay guys, I've had enough with this. I'm filming in 4K, but my GoPro is overheating, and I literally just hooked a 2-pound bass right in front of me. Oh, got him. Yes. Get over here. Ah, it's a little guy. Little dinker. First guy on the whopper plopper. There's our first fish. Nice little largemouth bass. All right, see you, bud. Thanks for biting. These fish are everywhere right now. It's pretty awesome. A lot of you guys ask me what's my favorite lure. This is my favorite lure because it takes no skill to catch fish on, and it's easy to throw. All right, people, let's cover some open water with the spinner bait. If you guys know what Fish Brain is, it's an app where you can kind of see what people are catching at specific bodies of water. Basically, this one guy caught maybe an 8-pounder a few days ago on a spinner bait, so that's hence why I'm throwing one. You know, people talk of matching the hatch, but they never talk about matching the bait that some guy caught an 8-pounder on. My luck is horrible. First of all, I forgot my tackle at home. Second, I lost a really nice fish on the frog, and the camera didn't even record that. And third, fish are always where I'm not at. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, I always get caught on everything with my treble hooks. Time update, it's now 4:53. Last time I checked, it was 3:30. So yeah, time is flying by. We're really just waiting for that 6:30 topwater bite to turn on, and then we can just start slamming these fish. Ooh, there's some real action happening now. Those shad are getting chased around like crazy. Yeesh, that's crazy. There's the jumping shad. They're literally the same size as my whopper plopper too. That's so, oh my, what the, okay, here we go. We're on them. Oh, got him. There we go. Fish on. Oh, guys, he came off. Are you kidding me? I just really want to cry right now. I've missed so many fish today. But crying's not gonna catch me any more fish. We gotta keep at it and just grind this out. Hopefully we'll be able to redeem ourselves. These fish are pretty easy to figure out. Once you see them actually jumping on the water for these shad, that's when you can literally just throw anything on top of them and they'll end up biting. Nice fish. Wow. He just got a big bass. That's crazy. Oh, nice. Okay, I got a spinnerbait. That's amazing. Dad and his kids. The dad just caught like a 4-pounder. That's so awesome. Got one. That's a fish. Get over here. Come on. We're not losing you. Stay down. Stay down, buddy. Stay down. Get over here. Come on. Yes! Finally. Now that's a worthy fish. Today's grind has been real. Finally landed a 1-pound largemouth bass. There we go. Topwater bite is finally turning on. Guys, I think I might just stick with the whopper plopper. Takes no skill and it catches fish. Oh, sorry. Got hooked in the eye a little bit. See you, buddy. Things are finally going our way. Let's go. I've learned a very important lesson today, and that is, it's so easy to get frustrated when you're fishing and easily lose your head, and then all of a sudden your fishing skills just turn horrible. Just try and keep your cool at all times, and eventually you'll start catching the fish. Yeah, just caught a 1-pounder. Yeah, and I missed a 2. Man, guys, if you guys don't have a whopper plopper, this thing will save your day. This is basically the Senko of the topwater world. If you're not catching anything, tie on this and boom, you got some fish. Still a bummer though. Like, I literally lose all the big fish and then just land the small ones. Time's now 6 o'clock. Okay, topwater time is about to turn prime. Haven't had a single nibble on the spinnerbait. This is so weird. Uh-oh. Got one. Fish on. There we go. Finally on the spinner, inline spinner. Am I recording? Oh my goodness, he came off. He was big. Worrying about my GoPro instead of landing that fish. Giant mistake by me. It's okay. That was pretty cool. Finally had a big fish. I'm an idiot. Oh. Hey guys, you gotta admit, I'm actually pretty good at catching fish, but like, when it comes to landing them, that's like, that's my skill set. I just cannot land fish, whatever I do. Sure, I can find them. Sure, I can hook them. But the thing is, I just can't land them. Oh, I really need to just get a net, man. Have him kayak like right next to me. And also, yeah, I lifted that rod really high, allowing that bass to jump. I should have just kept the rod down in the water or something. I don't even know how I feel about today. Like I'm happy about catching some of the fish I caught, but then also like I'm actually super mad that I missed some of the fish that I did. You guys probably can't see off of camera, but I'm pretty mad. How come it's always when I hook into a big fish, it just comes off? Like that could have been my PB for this month, but no. Wait, that's probably a log. That's a log. It's not moving. Yeah. This guy's a goner. Had to cut off that spinnerbait. That's sad. It's alright, we'll go pick up a new one. Goodbye, spinnerbait. You served your purpose really well. That spinnerbait has caught me some really good fish. Alright, there's a lot of fish activity going on right here. I'm gonna give a good old toss with the flopper. Got one. There we go. I knew it. I knew we would get another one. Let's go. All right, get over here. Ha 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 ha. Don't you jump. Don't jump. Don't jump. Please don't jump. There you go. Nice little dinker. Let's go ahead and toss him back in. These fish are so fun. They're aggressive and they fight super hard, even if they're small like this. What did I tell you guys? Prime topwater time. Okay, see you, buddy. This is why I like fishing. It's just so much fun. You know what? There's actually a little section of the creek down there that I'm willing to go try because it doesn't seem like it gets pressured that much. Just met another fishing YouTuber. That was really cool. Meeting other people who like record on their GoPros and stuff is always so cool because whenever I'm just like fishing by myself or something and someone sees like a GoPro on my head, they're like, what is that kid doing? I think I'm like one of the only fishermen out here now. Everyone's like heading back because it's getting dark, but for me, nah, it looks fine for me right now. What the? Yo. We're on them. We're on them, boys. There's some busting shad and some fish chasing them. Oh man, are you kidding me? He ate the boat. That's so sad. Come on, come back. Please come back. Oh, got one. Oh no, he let go. What? Dude, how do you let go of a treble hook? If I had not caught the other bass I did today, this would probably be the worst day of fishing I've had. The amount of fish I've lost is just unreal. I stopped counting. Anyways, seems like this bite has kind of died off. I still want to throw a frog, so we're gonna go back to doing that. Oh, there we go. Yeah, baby. Let's go. That's a fish. Get over here. Yeah. Woo! Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Ah, that feels good. Well, that might be our last fish of the day. Probably our biggest one yet. This is probably pushing 2 pounds. Just gotta put on a few more ounces, buddy. You'll get there. Okay, let this guy go. See you. As I was letting that fish go, I saw another fish, probably similar size to that one. Just blow up on this bank. So we're gonna just keep throwing here. And you guys wonder why I love fishing. This is why. This is why I love fishing. That's why. That's why I love fishing, guys. This is why I love fishing. It's amazing. Literally back-to-back fish. Like, come on. That's crazy. Oh, man. Get in here. Let's go. Yep. Back-to-back fish. How nice is that? All right, do a backflip. See ya. Well, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up right here. You probably can't see me, but if you watch the whole video, you can see how I had a on and off day kind of. Caught a lot of fish, but I also lost a lot of good fish. So I'm a little bit mad at that, except the thing is, I came here to get kind of like a revenge on this lake, and I think I did that proper because I finally caught some fish today. Anyways, since school is going to be starting soon, I'll be putting out less and less videos, but don't worry guys, I will be sure to keep up with that. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like if you can. It only takes 1 second. It helps get this video across super well. But anyways, go take a friend out and fish for the adventure.